In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs quiz. Even though Google Docs itself doesn't build quizzes, the easiest and most reliable way is to use Google Forms, which lives right inside Google Drive and is designed for quick, auto-graded quizzes. Start by opening your browser and heading to forms.google.com. You'll see a clean workspace where you can choose blank form. This gives you a fresh canvas to build your quiz from scratch, with a title and description at the top so people know what the quiz is about before they begin. Next, turn your form into a quiz so it can grade itself. Click the gear icon for settings, go to the Quizzes section, and switch on Make this a quiz. This single toggle unlocks auto-grading, point values, and an answer key for each question. It's what transforms a regular form into a true quiz experience. Now add your questions. Click the plus button on the right to create your first one. For most quizzes, multiple choice works best because it allows one correct answer and grades cleanly. If your question has more than one correct answer, choose checkbox so respondents can select multiple options. For questions that need a short typed response, pick short answer, which is great for definitions, single words, or brief numbers. Keep the wording clear and unambiguous to prevent confusion and to help your quiz grade accurately. For each question you add, set up the correct answer and scoring. Click Answer key under the question, select the correct option or type the accepted answer, and assign the number of points you want that question to be worth. Consistent point values help learners understand the weight of each question. For short answer questions, consider exact spelling and capitalization when you define correct responses so auto-grading works as intended. When your quiz looks good, it's time to share it. Click Send at the top. You can copy a shareable link and paste it wherever your audience is, or send it directly by email. Once people open the link, they can take the quiz from any device with a browser. A quick tip: try the link yourself in a fresh browser tab to make sure everything displays as expected. If you want to skip straight to a pre-configured quiz form, use the shortcut g.q/create-a-quiz. It opens a ready-made quiz instantly, and you can jump right to adding questions, setting answer keys, and sharing. That's it. Simple, fast, and fully auto-graded using Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!